Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of these designs. They both say the same thing, which are the names Clara and Henry. And here is the name Clara in this design, and here's the name Henry in this design, and here's Clara and then again Henry. I just have them linked together linearly like this, or in a circle like this. So when you're reading something in a circle, you start at the bottom and you go counterclockwise, like a time traveler going back in time. So that means this is the first word, and then this is the second word. Similarly, in this word circle, this is the first letter, and then this is the last letter. So first letter, last letter. So this first letter in Clara has 1, 2, 3, 4 dots, which is good because AC has 4 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's because it's in the 4 dot column here. So you get a letter by combining the row, which is the letter stem, so a full circle for the C, plus its modifiers, which in this case are 4 dots. So the L is quite similar to a C, it's right next to it, but it has 1, 2, 3 dots instead of 4. So that would be the L. Then we have our A, a little guy outside the word circle, and that's the extra ring going around that dot there. I could have put a dot inside the A, it doesn't matter. Excuse me. So 3 dots on the C, 3 dots on the L, and then the A is outside the word circle. And then we have the R, which is a shallow divot, so we're in a different row, but in the same column as the L, because it also has 1, 2, 3 dots. And then the A, again, outside our word circle. So C, L, A, R, A. The only difference between these two is that these 3 dots for the R kind of fill in the empty space here, whereas these 3 dots for the R are on the line of the R stem. Okay, so now for Henry. An H is a deep divot shape, so like an omega or horseshoe, which is different than the shallow divot of the R because it's more complete of a circle, like curves back in on itself. So this deep divot has 2 lines coming from it, and then we have the E, a little guy inside the letter stem, so like that. HE, then the N has 1 line on it, another 1, 2, 3 dot on the R, and then 1, 2 dots on the Y. So Henry. And this divot here is made up of the line modifiers coming from the H, the N, and the H again over here. And I couldn't have this N line end on the Y, otherwise it would look like a QU with 1 line modifier. So in this design, Henry is exactly the same, Henry. It's just linked together like that. So yeah, that's that design. I'm sorry that the first video had a big issue in the audio. Oops, I hope that this one is a bit better, and I'll actually check it this time. But yeah, thank you for your patience, and I hope you like your designs. Bye!